Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rifki Arisnanda from class Diploma 3 ETO B. I will explain about electrical relay maintenance on ships. A relay is an important electromechanical safety device in ships' electrical circuit, and is normally used to open the faulty circuit from the main supply when any kind of electrical fault occurs. A relay is fitted in the main and emergency switchboard of the ship as a protective device. Relay has to be kept operational and healthy at all times. Else, at the time of fault, if the relay does not operate properly, the whole system may suffer loss of power or damage. The most common application of relays is for overload and short-circuit protection. A ship engineer or electrical officer has to make sure that the relay is efficiently in operation and the maintenance is carried out on the same as per schedule. If during inspection the relay is found out defective, it must be replaced immediately with a spare one. A simple electromagnetic relay will get active when the magnetic effect of the iron core is sufficiently increased by the excess or high current in the coil, which will attract the iron armature held against the spring force to trip the circuit. A brief maintenance procedure of a relay is given as follows. Number 1. Check the carried out on relay contact for damage due to earthing. Polish the contact with emery paper to remove rust and deposits. Check the closing linkage for free movement. Check the continuity of the contacts with multimeter. So there are arcs shuttles provided to quench the arcing. Check for burnout of the same. So check the tension of the spring, and open circuit and short circuit test to be performed on the coil by multimeter. So check the continuity of the trip circuit by multimeter. Check the thickness of the supply terminals. Thanks. Thank you.